मडगावात गँगवार सुरू झाला। ह्या असल्या एका गँगवारात घुसपल्ल्या कर्नाटकातल्या 4 जणांक मडगाव पोलिसांनी धरला। वट 6 जणांनी मिळून मडगाव एकल्याक बडयलो। धरिल्ले 4 जण कर्नाटकातल्या येल्लापूर गावातले आसात। ही घडणूक आयतारा सकाळी जाली। 6 जणांनी मिळून मकबूल खानाक तोपलो, ताका बांबळे व्हरचो पडलो। ताची स्थिती खूप गंभीर आसा। पुलिसांनी बेगोबेग कारवाई करून 4 जणांक धरले खरे, पण 2 जण अजून फरार आसात। पुलिस सांगता ते प्रमाण हे सगळे हिस्ट्री सीटर।
6 persons. There is namely Raja Talwar, Tiger Raja, one Vipul, one Gokul, one Pandey, and one Sadiq, who assaulted one Maqbul Khan near fire station Ake with a chopper and sustained him grievous injuries on head, left side of stomach and left shoulder. So in this connection we registered the offence and we started our investigation. So after committing the crime, all the 6 accused absconded and were underground. My team headed by Suraj Gaons, LIB staff Gorakhnath Gaons and Bablu Zore proceeded to the Yellapur and managed to nab the 3 accused who were there at Yellapur. That is Raja Talwar, one Vipul Pattari and Sadiq Ahmad Sheikh. So along with these accused, one more person was detained, that is Damodar Janappa Naik, who was accompanying him, and they disclosed that he was also involved in the said crime. So we detained all the 4 accused persons and brought them at the police station and placed under arrest. So now 2 more accused are remain, that is Unman and Gokul. So we will arrest them very soon, and we will from these arrested accused, our investigation is in progress to recover the weapon used for the assault. He is the victim, the Maqbul Khan, is presently in the ICU, GMC Bamboli, and his health is critical. There is a rivalry between the 2 groups. That is Maqbul Khan, who is the victim. He is also the history sheeter in the Maina Kurtari police station. So there was a rivalry between the Maqbul Khan and the Raja Talwar.
Raja Talwar चे कितले cases आहेत?
There are 7 to 8 cases registered at this police station against Raja Talwar.
मडगावच्यान आमचो खबराकार रमेश नायक राऊत।